You asked, we listened, we did the research, and we now have the product. Edge glass ceramic cups. A lot of our customers asked if there was anything on the market that would help them be able to see their welds better. Even though there was already a couple of competitors out there selling this kind of product, Edge is a new range to the UK market. We've been researching it for about 6 months now. We've trialled it, we've tested it, and we're very happy with how the outcome has come. You get a full range from the WP9 to the 26s, water cooled, air cooled, any setup you require, we can supply. Affordable price as well, ranging from just £8 a cup. You can buy full sets, which start you off at 65 quid plus the VAT, and that gets you going. Everything is sold individually, so you can buy all spares, and today we're just going to show you how to set up a couple of them for the most commonly used torches. Using your standard setup that you already have, all you need to do is just use the adapters. So with the WP9, we're going to attach our body. Insert our collet, our tungsten, pop on our back cap, nice new tungsten. There we go. Grab our sealing ring. This is where the kit now comes into play. You pop that on. Grab your adapter, which has got 2 sealing O-rings for a nice tight fit. Just pop those on. You only need to do that finger tight. Bring your tungsten out. Then picking up your desired cap size. So you've got 8, 7, all the way through down to 4. If you wish to go bigger, you can go up to a 10. Anything over a 10, 12, 15, 18, you're going to need a diffuser kit. All you do, offer it on, little twist, nice and tight, and that's it. Gives you much more visual effect over your tungsten when you're welding. The nice thing about these as well, we'll do a comparison. Take this one off, a little bit of a wiggle, that's it. Take our adapter off, and pop our normal one back on. Already shows you the visual difference. That's the WP9. We'll put the original one back on. We'll leave that in view. I'm going to do exactly the same with the WP17. Put that one on. Collet. Tungsten. Back cap. Adapter, make sure it goes on the right way. So when you screw that down, you get a nice seal on the inside. Grabbing your desired size again, and that's it. You're all done. Giving you a much clearer view of what you're going to be doing. up. Again, just slides off. And you can put your different desirable ones on. And they go back to normal. Just to show you the difference. That's the WP9 setup with the edge caps. That's WP17 with the standard originals. Each set comes with 5 caps, the adapters, and the rings, and with WP9 seals. You can get all this at AIP. It is all on our website at www.aipweldingsupplies.co.uk, or if you wish to know more, you can give us a call on 01278 444 474, or pop by the shop and have a chat with Kim.